Tell Jordan knows how to do almost everything, and it turns out that General is a quality insurance company that's been saving people money for nearly 60 years.
The National Weather Service in Billings has issued a flash flood warning for north central Bighorn County in south central Montana, eastern Muscatine County in central Montana, northeastern Yellowstone County in south central Montana, south central Treasure County in southeastern Montana, until 5:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 1:49 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Pompey's Pillar, Custer, Worden, and Ballantine. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.